I'm Wing Commander A.D. Wolven, Officer Commanding number 206 Squadron, and we conduct testing on air mobility, I-STAR and training aircraft. One of my test crews has just completed the first UK A400M air-to-air refuelling with a Voyager aircraft. The A400M, compared to other air transport aircraft, is unique thanks to its fly-by-wire flight control system, which, when the pilots activate it, makes it a lot easier to maintain formation with the Voyager and then make contact to take fuel from it. We're also thankful that our test pilots had conducted previous flight test campaigns with Airbus out in Spain. What's also really exciting is that we can quickly hand this capability over to the frontline instructors by the end of the year, and then they can roll it out to the other A400M squadrons, which is 24, 30 and 70 Squadron.
I'm Flight Lieutenant Gareth Crowe, and I was the flight test engineer for the A400M air-to-air refuelling trial. I was there responsible to making sure we project managed the trial to make sure it was run as efficiently as we possibly could. As a part of this, I need to manage the risk and make sure we were safe throughout the trial, especially considering this is the first time we've done air-to-air refuelling on this platform type for the UK. So therefore, all of our testing was quite progressive. We made sure we got formation with the Voyager beforehand. We'd even done some simulator training to making sure we were familiar with how the aircraft would perform. From there, we would fly on the wingtip of the Voyager, leading to behind it, then leading to contacts, doing dry and wet. This will enable the aircraft to reach further, fly for longer, and lift more weight around the world more effectively.